Yesterday, I made a video about how this week is going to be crazy in the stock of Plurilock, and it starts literally with this press release this morning, 7 a.m. Plurilock engages Clear Street to review U.S. strategic options. In other words, they're talking about uplisting its shares to the United States, whether it's NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange. That's what this press release means, okay? And is this surprising? Well, not really, because remember how when I reacted to the interview with Joe Saxton, who is formerly from CrowdStrike, and in that interview he talked about how NASDAQ listing is closer than people think, and boom, this morning this is the press release that they drop on us this morning. Plurilock, a global cybersecurity company, announces that it has engaged Clear Street as its financial advisors to assist the board and the management in refining U.S. strategic options. Plurilock generated $70 million in revenue for the year 2023. These revenues come from an integrated cybersecurity company platform that includes hardware and software sales, managed critical services, and Plurilock AI. But the point is that you can read the press release yourself. The point is that the majority of revenues for Plurilock come from the United States, right? This company does not belong on a Canadian exchange. Canadians don't understand growth companies. They don't understand it. They understand pot, gold, and oil, and everything that's not a good business. They don't understand growth companies. They don't understand that a company can be unprofitable and still trade at multiple of revenues. They don't understand that. They cannot comprehend that, okay? And if you want to be appreciated at a growth stock, you have to go where growth is appreciated, which is the United States. NASDAQ, for example, okay? So, but this press release comes at a very interesting time because the entire time that I have been involved with Plurilock has been about spreading fear that unlock of private placement shares is coming. Well, that's tomorrow, okay? The unlock, the fearful unlock is coming tomorrow. So now, but the stock already sold off ahead of the unlock, right? So now you have to ask yourself, how will a press release like this, and probably more press releases coming, how will it impact, first of all, the shorts that just shorted the stock, and also the people that are supposedly going to be selling in huge numbers when the shares unlock? If you participated in a private placement with Plurilock 4 months ago, and you see a press release that Plurilock is going to uplist or is preparing to uplist its shares in the United States, are you going to be more likely to sell or less likely to sell? That's not a hard question. It's not a hard answer, right? And then also, if you just shorted the stock, or you're going to try to scare even more people today and you're going to short even more today, are you going to be like, you know what? I'm going to keep my short open because I am convinced that all these shares are going to come to the market starting tomorrow? Or are you going to think, you know what? I better cover because maybe after people see that this company is going to uplist these shares to NASDAQ, maybe they're not going to be so eager to sell me the shares to cover my short. I don't know. We'll see. But the crazy week in Plurilock stock just started with this press release. So I'm going to get and make myself some popcorn and watch the show unfold this week. Am I doing anything? I am absolutely not doing anything in terms of buying or selling. I'm just sitting on my butt, eating popcorn, and enjoying the movie.